My name is Paulo Machbander. I am CEO of MAGNEX Technologies, a Brazilian company focused on transforming fluid efficiency through magnetic activation. In the oil and gas industry, operators face crude oil viscosity, scale formation, and reduced flow efficiency, which drive up maintenance costs. MAGNEX addresses this with a clean, non-invasive magnetic activation technology. Our main product is the submagnetic for oil wells, and we are expanding into other industrial segments like diesel and marine fuels, water treatment, and mining. The submagnetic is a proprietary downhole tool installed in all oil wells to reduce crude oil viscosity and inhibit scale formation in production flow lines. This addresses a massive global market representing multi-billion-dollar opportunities where fluid efficiency and sustainability are strategic priority. Our value proposition relies on clean operation, non-invasive installation, scalability, and strong intellectual property. Our high-intensity magnetic technology has demonstrated up to 46% reduction in viscosity and 87% drop in organic deposition, improving low efficiency and equipment life while lowering operating costs. To expand globally, we are building a platform connecting Brazil for R&D, China for manufacturing, and Singapore as an international trading hub to coordinate our market expansion. Our model combines direct sales of submagnetics in oil and gas with recurring heavily from monthly rentals for other industries. Since 2022, MAGNEX has achieved Petrobras qualification, supplied Halliburton projects, opened a manufacturing plant in China, and established a global partnership with Superior Energy. For 2026 and 2027, we expect to establish our commercial structure in Asia, implement a quality management system, and reach a revenue of 15 million Brazilian reais. MAGNEX is led by an experienced team, bringing the technical and commercial capabilities required to scale our products into global markets. The opportunity is clear. Build a Singapore platform to scale an already validated technology. Thank you very much.